Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to calculate the reservoir area from the Landsat imagery using ArcGIS software. So first of all, you must have the Landsat 8 imagery of your required area. As in my case, I have Tarbela Reservoir Landsat 8 imagery of 2019. So I will connect my folder of Landsat 8 imagery. So for that purpose, go to catalog and click here connect to folder, and I will go to my PC desktop. Here I have folder named Landsat 8 15 September 2019. Click here and press OK. Then click here. There I have two subfolders. Folder 1 is AOI shapefile. Here I have my shapefile of Tarbela reservoir, which will help me in masking and total bands. This folder contains 11 bands of Landsat 8 imagery. So we will require only two bands, B3 and B5. B3 shows the green and B5 shows the near infrared pixels. So click here, hold, drag and leave the band. Now click B5, drag and leave here. So we will use these two bands for NDWI technique. Close. Now go to search. Here write map algebra. Map algebra. So raster calculator, special analysis tool. Click here. So now we will write NDWI formula. NDWI stands for Normalized Difference Water Index. This index shows the water pixels. Its formula is B3 minus B5 over B3 plus B5. It is only for Landsat 8 images, because in Landsat 8 imagery B3 denotes the green and B5 denotes the near infrared. For writing this formula, first you have to calculate, double click the float, then double click B3 minus, double click B5, double click float, B3 plus B5. Now output raster where this file will be saved. So click here. So connect the folder as I will save here. Write ndwi.tif. This extension is very mandatory. So don't forget to write .tif. Then press OK. Wait just a little bit seconds because it will take some time. So you can clearly see that the calculation is in progress. So viewers, NDWI technique has been successfully applied. So you can clearly see that in our B3 and B5 bands, water pixel ranges from 0 to more than 61,000. Uncheck it. But in NDWI, so you can see the water pixels ranges from -1 to 1. So -1 to 1, these are the water pixels, and other pixels of the land cover has been suppressed. So viewers, we will only want those pixels whose values ranges from more than 0. For that purpose, you will go to search and write extract by attribute. Click here extract by attribute. Input raster will be our recent NDWI raster file. Where class? In this class, write value in parenthesis greater than 0. Now name this shapefile threshold ndwi dot tif. Okay, and press OK. Now friends, you can clearly see that this threshold raster file pixels ranges from 0 to 1. 0 to 1 pixels showing the water region. So our required reservoir of Tarbela can clearly be seen. These are the water pixels. So now we will reclassify it, which is mandatory for masking. For masking, you must reclassify your raster file. For reclassify, go to search and write reclassify. Reclassify is in the special analyst tool. Click here. Threshold and NDWI shape file, sorry, raster file. And now we will classify only one class. Press OK because we want only water regions. That's why press OK. Save this raster file, naming reclassify dot tif. Press OK. OK. Hide threshold. So it has been reclassified. We will give it blue color for better identification of water pixel. Now we will mask only this area and we will exclude all these water pixels from the raster image. For that we will mask it. Masking, just write mask, click extract by mask. Now input raster will be reclassify, and input raster feature mask data, you should have your required shape file of the reservoir. In my case I have already make my shape file of the Tarbela reservoir, so I will click here. Now output raster, so I will write this name as a mask.tif. Press OK. So friends, you can clearly see the area of the Tarbela reservoir showing the water pixels. Okay, now we will calculate the area and number of counts. These are the number of counts, water counts of the Tarbela reservoir. Now we will calculate the area. For calculating the area, okay, click here and add field by naming area. Type is to select float. Press OK. Then click here, right click area, go to field calculator, press OK. Here double click count. As you know, the size of single cell of Landsat 8 images 30 by 30, so multiply it by 30 by 30. For getting the area in kilometer square, you have to just divide it by 10 raised to power 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see the area has been calculated, and in my case the area of the reservoir is reservoir is 211.581 kilometer square. So this is all from my side. This tutorial will help you in calculating the water pixels by using GIS software, by using the technique of NDWI. Thanks.